the question says define a function that takes a string as input. This function should return the reverse version of the input string. The question says you should write a function for that. So let's define a function called reverse string. Okay. Then let's have string. Then let's have a parameter called say string. Right. Okay, so let's write the logic like this. Let's extend the logic. So string. Let's use the slice notation. I think that's simple. Slice notation, and then let's print the function. Let's call the function, which is reverse string, and then pass in a string, say hello. Alright. Okay. Let's pass in a string hello. Okay, so let's run that. Okay, it's been reversed, right?